Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. Right now, as you can see, it's breakfast time. So we're about to have some bread, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, egg and sausage, and along with our little milk. Okay?
Oh, that's simple.
Yes, people, as you can see, our little salad, our little ripe green fig, and stuff with our saltfish. And yes, we have to get dehydrated, people. Drink lots of water, okay? Along with some juice.
Oh, that's simple.
Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh, love.
Oh, that's simple.
Yes, people, as you can see, our juice. Yes, and also we're having some red, yes, we're having some red beans, our corn, our salad as usual, our turkey chicken, and as you could see, some chana. Okay, and we have to have our little bell peppers for it to tasty and stuff. Yes, people, and not forgetting juice. Okay, so we have our egg curry, as you could see, egg curry with our little rice. All right, people. Yes, people. Yes.
Oh, that's simple. Oh, that's simple. Oh, that's simple.
Our juice, our corn, our fried fish, our salad, macaroni, and yes, our cook up rice. Okay, all right.
Oh, that's simple.
Yes, people, we're back with our last dish, as you could see. Yes, people, as you could see, we have corn, salad, our cook up rice, and our macaroni. Okay, yes, and we also have some ribs. Oh,
That's simple.
thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win.